guys, welcome back to the Tonga Tribe channel. Today I'll be showing you one of the beautiful mats that our grannies make for us, and we also use them in different weddings when we are welcoming our bride, so that she walks on top of them. Our grannies used to sit on this, and when you sit on our beautiful mat that we call the sound, it also shows respect. When you're talking to your elders, you sit on this mat and then you will be able to talk to them. I will be showing you how we unfold it and how we use it. As you can see, this is our sahu. We call it sahu in Xitsonga. This is our beautiful mat. They are made by our grannies, and they also sell them. But then when they sell them, like in the Western shops, it's so expensive. But then when they sell them in the villages, it's not that expensive. It's more cheap. As you can see, my granny made this for me. So you have to put it on a comfortable place where the little mic is small. So this is our mat, our Tonga mat. Back in the day, on it. And when we are done